Good morning, children. A warm welcome to the IT class. In the last session, we have learnt about internal hardware. In this session, we will study about operating system. An operating system is the most important software that runs on a computer. It manages the computer's memory and processes, as well as its software and hardware. It also enables communication between users and the computer. All computers and computer-like devices such as laptops, smartphones, etc. need operating systems to run the programs present in them. An operating system manages the entire computer system in the following ways. Managing processes. The OS allocates the CPU's time to different processes that need attention at the same time so that it can multitask efficiently. Next one, managing resources. The OS manages inputs and outputs of each resources or device such as printer, scanner and keyboard attached to the computer. Managing memory allocation. The OS allocates different types of memory available in the computer to different processes. Providing user interface. The OS has a user-friendly front end or user interface that allows users to use the computer easily by clicking on the screen to execute appropriate actions. Providing application interface. The OS translates each software application code for the computer to take the action as intended by the user. For computers, Microsoft Windows and Mac OS are the commonly used operating systems. Most of the computers and laptops have Microsoft Windows pre-installed on them. While Mac OS works only on Apple products, Linux, developed by Linus Torvalds, was once a popular computer OS but is now mostly used for servers and mainframe computers. For smartphones, the most common operating systems are Android by Google LLC and iOS by Apple Inc. Basic Input Output System. Basic Input Output System or BIOS is an important software required for the smooth functioning of a computer. The purpose of BIOS is to run diagnostic test known as Power on Self-Test POST every time the computer boots. During post BIOS checks whether the basic system devices such as the keyboard and hardware elements such as the CPU, memory, etc. are present and functioning properly or not. BIOS is independent of the OS. Once post is completed successfully, BIOS looks for an operating system to load, which then takes control of the system. If the computer does not pass post, users are intimated of the malfunction with a beep sound. The Unified Extensible Firmware Interface UEFI, a successor to BIOS, is designed to overcome the technical limitations of BIOS. So children, what did we learn in this lesson? We learned that the CPU cabinet houses a number of important hardware devices. The motherboard and CPU are key internal hardware components. External devices such as printer and keyboard can be connected to the computer through ports. All computers and computer-like devices need an operating system to function. Operating systems manage resources and memory available to the CPU and interface with other software applications, peripheral devices, and users. BIOS is independent of the OS and performs a diagnostic boot test called POST.